Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a report from Gentex Corporation, and let me tell you, there might be more than meets the eye in this filing. It's like finding out your rearview mirror does more than just show you what's behind you. This report gives us a peek into Gentex's performance over the first 3 months of 2025. We'll look at how much money they made, any challenges they faced, and what their plans are for the rest of the year. So buckle up and let's decode this report. First off, this is a Form 8K which companies use to tell investors about big news. Think of it as an urgent update button for businesses. In this case, it's Gentex sharing their financial results for the first quarter. This report is dated April 25, 2025, so it's fairly recent. It gives us a snapshot of the company's health as of the end of March. Gentex Corporation is the company we are talking about today. They make things like automatic dimming mirrors and other high-tech products, mainly for the car industry. Gentex is publicly traded, and you can find their stock under the ticker symbol GNTX on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. Okay, let's dive into the numbers. The main reason for this report is to share how well Gentex did in the first quarter. So let's see if they hit a home run, struck out, or landed somewhere in between. The real meat of this report is in the attached news release, so we'll focus on that. This is where Gentex spills the beans on their financial performance and will break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Now let's step back for a moment. I don't see any financial tables here in the Form 8K itself, so we will need to investigate the exhibit news release separately. I don't have access to that external data, so I can't comment on the financials for now. What a shame. However, we still can see that the company published this press release to communicate their first quarter results. Without seeing the numbers, it's hard to say exactly how well they did, but by releasing this information, Gentex is keeping investors informed, which is always a good sign. They are letting everyone know about the results so they can make their own informed decisions. But now, let's transition into what we can tell about the company. Gentex appears to be a pretty solid company that makes high-tech stuff for cars. The fact that they are sharing their financial results shows they are trying to be open with investors, which is good. Of course, without seeing the actual numbers, it's hard to say for sure how well they are doing. Some things that could affect Gentex's business include how well the car industry is doing overall. If people aren't buying new cars, then Gentex might not sell as many of their products. Also, changes in technology could be a risk, as they need to keep coming up with new and innovative products. In conclusion, while this particular report doesn't give us all the juicy details about Gentex's financials, it does show that they are keeping investors in the loop. And based on what we know about the company, they seem to be in a good position to continue growing and innovating. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. Until next time, stay curious.